Often people only see the putting the tree in the ground aspect of things. They do not see how we need the diversity of our tree planting programs to be. A single hectare of forest can have about 200 to 300 different species of trees. If you're going to be recreating forests, you need to also consider that every single restoration project must be designed from scratch for where our end goal of the restoration is going to be. So by partnering with orang aslis and including them into the supply chain of restoration projects, what they can do is they can work with the current trends, which are restoration of habitats, carbon and forestry, and make a livelihood out of what they do best, which is living and working in the forest.